Hi, I'm Fanny from Team Teacher, Teaching, Living, and Raising a Family in China. Today, we're going to talk about the dating app TanTan. Let's check it out. Okay, so I've got this app TanTan on my phone that I've downloaded. You can download it from the Play Store or an APK, however way you want to. It looks like a fox. So let's open it up. Okay, so you need to grant permissions around your area, so I'll allow that. Alright, I'm gonna continue with my phone number. I'm gonna put in my phone number. I'm gonna get a verification code. It's 1598. Alright, so when you register, you're gonna put in your nickname. I'm gonna go with Nikki. Your birth date, I'm gonna just choose a random date. How about this one? Okay, female. You can't change your gender after you've selected it. Okay, be careful. Password, I'm gonna go with. Alright, so I've set it up, and I'm gonna add a photo. So it needs permission again. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and you can crop it or whatever if it's too big. I'm gonna go with this profile picture here, and get started. Here we go. It's really easy to set up because it's all in English. So let's see, be visible to your phone contacts, show mutual friends. I'm just gonna go with start swiping. It needs the following permission. Okay, we'll grant it. Allow access to people around you. Alright, already I'm having a picture of some person on here. So if you know what Tinder is, TanTan is kind of like Tinder. It's all about swiping. Swipe left if you want to skip this person, swipe right if you like this person. But before we start swiping, let's go into my settings. So let's tap that. This is my profile, and people can access it when they see me. So let's edit it. You can add several pictures, so pick some ones that you like, but I'm just gonna leave one for now. You can write a short description, your industry, blah, 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 personality, your interests, what sports you're into, music. Let's just randomly put something like, I like, how about competitive eating? Maybe not. I don't think that makes you very attractive. Hiking, ice hockey, ice skating. All right, I'll just put 3 for now. Any music that you like? Okay, favorite food? Ooh, sushi, pad thai, dim sum. I like all of them. And places and books and so on. So that's all for now. So once you're done, you can, I think, just go back, and it'll automatically save it. Oh, it says here I already got 18 people that liked me, and I've just started this like minutes ago. All right, well, that's really easy to set up, and you can start using it right away. Meet people around you. If you go back to the home page, if you want to know more about this person, tap on them. You can look at their thing. You can say you're not interested, or you like them, and so forth. Okay, another one we can go into is settings. You can choose the distance, how far away you want these people are. If you want them, you only want to hang out with people that are way closer to you, so just like adjust it as you want. I'll leave it. What you're interested in, the age range you're interested in. Maybe I'll go up to like 35. So all these other, there's privacy settings, personal information, and notification and chat as well. So yeah, all these things you can do. Well, that was really fast. You can do this yourself and set it up and have fun. So if you like this video, please like us and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. Take care.